Hi guys, welcome back. Good evening everyone. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle is a Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this puzzle is in additional, not in today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 13th, 2023. In today's newspaper, we have only one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the additional of a while ago, Thursday, April the 20th, 2023. And I've already solved 2 puzzles this evening. The letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and it's time now for the Tectonic with a 1 star. Tectonic with 1 star, yeah. Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 6513. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 19 printed digits. Wow. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 19 and it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Is this really a 1 star? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Let me check. Do we have here dual boxes? Nope, dual boxes here. Quarter boxes then. Let me check for the quarter box. Oh no, not quarter box. No dual boxes. Triple boxes. Yeah, not the quarter box. Following question is the triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes here? Let me check for triple boxes. No triple boxes. Quarter boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, no quarter boxes again. So then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, this one mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Only 2 shapes of them. Okay, then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. It's rotated, this one. Rotated. Okay, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, another one, but upside down. Oh, wait. In this case, has the same number. Should be a 5 then. Okay. And now this one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 then. Alright. More of these kind of shapes. Here, another 1. And this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 then. Okay. Do we have more shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize? Yeah. One more, the L shape. Also rotated. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers, so let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 1 and this box can be a 3, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, so 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. Let me go here. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then 3. Well, this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. And this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well. Let me think. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, We have a 1 here in the same area. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5 here. Now, that means that these 3 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there then. Okay. This 5 is not important anymore. Okay, then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, a double 3 there. If I place 2 here or 3 there, I cannot fill any 2 or any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 1 and a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 4. Well, need to mark them. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes surround the 5, can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be there. Alright, then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. In the flow, we solve this puzzle within 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, I hope, with a new additional with extra puzzles. I don't know, because yeah, we have the Wit Sunday and the Wit Monday, so maybe the publisher is on holiday. Yeah, we don't know. We will see. 4 days in a row with no additional. Maybe tomorrow will be the 5th day. Anyway, have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.